In this video, we are going to see how we can insert any kind of special character in Google Docs. So let's say you want to insert some mathematical character or any scientific sign or symbol as a special character. What you can do is click on Insert and click on the symbols and choose special characters. Here you can choose any kind of arrows, game pieces, sign. You have the currency options where you can find all of these currency signs or symbols. You also have math expressions, whatever it is, you can use that from here. You have the musical notes mentioned, asterisk signs, and basically whatever is related to you, you can find all the special characters here. We also do have a technical special characters or symbols. So as soon as you want to insert any particular function, if you hover over it, it will also explain you about it. So if you click on it, it will be inserted right away in the background onto your main document like this. And that is all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.